Hello and welcome. I'm PokeNoob151 and today I'm going to go over the contents of my very first unboxing. But before we start, this is the company that I purchased these Elite Trainer boxes from. The Game Tree NZ. It was my first order with them, but I'd highly recommend purchasing from them with competitive prices, speedy deliveries and thoughtful packaging. Okay, the contents. So what they gave me was some extras. Were these Japanese Pokemon trading card game cards. I'm not collecting these at the moment, but I may do in the future. They also threw in this Galarian Moltres, which is quite a nice card. They threw in a couple of stickers. They also threw in some nice deck sleeves, full art ones. I particularly like this one here of the Mewtwo. A couple of condition markers. I had to double check that that was actually correct. They also threw in the Scarlet and Violet Paldean Fates Player's Guide. I hope I said that correctly. And they threw in some MetaZoo cards. I'm not collecting these currently, but they had some nice artwork and some pretty interesting characters. So stay tuned for more because next I'll be opening this ETB. Thanks for watching.